What is going on? Welcome to my channel where I will be putting and documenting my whole trading journey from this time on where I'm not profitable yet. In the background I have my trading journal opened, which I will review a little bit in more detail to give full transparency and to just document my journey, to highlight my struggles, what I'm going through, my mistakes, and in the end that I can look back on and say I made it. But yeah, like I said, not trading profitable as of right now. I am trading currencies, so I'm trading Forex. Just focus on two pairs, actually, on GJ, so the pound versus the yen, and gold as well, obviously. Those are the two pairs I trade, and I only trade those two pairs. I analyze those two pairs. All the other pairs I'm not really interested in at the moment, because I used to trade three pairs actually, like those two and UJ as well. Already this was too much on my table, so I'm focusing on those two pairs to master first of all those two pairs, and then obviously once I'm profitable on those two pairs I can expand my trading, my knowledge, my focus, everything. Alright, so I want to go through my journal a little bit right here. Big shout out to Umar Ashraf actually for creating this amazing journal. It has provided me with so much insight of my own trading, like given me so much detail of my own trading, like all the data and stuff, and much more insight. So yeah, that has helped me a lot as already. I cannot show, put this here, how big my account is, right? No, I don't know. But my account, I think it's 1.5k at the moment, 1.4k, something like that. I think, yeah, I started with $1,522, I remember that, and now it's down to like 1,400 almost exactly in those 2 weeks I've been trading, of 1 to 3 weeks actually. 3 weeks, yeah. It has been 3 weeks. I lost about 10% here on my account, close to 10%. So I would already have failed a challenge. I did fail a few challenges actually already, but now focused on this account here where I'm trying to grow and trying to learn, obviously. Yeah, I started this account with, that was the first trade I traded. I traded half the lot sizes I usually would, so I risked 1% per trade in here. This was a good trading day actually. Started off with a loss, and then another good trade, finished off with break-even trade after that. But from there on, from this day on, I have just been in drawdown, like the whole period. I almost made it out of drawdown, but then boom, 140 again in drawdown. So I'm gonna try to improve that, obviously. But yeah, I mean, I started end of October 2023. This day was good, like Wednesdays are usually good for me. And then going into November, it's like this was a very good week, 3 green days. And now we come to the first mistake, or I would say even problem I have. My losers, it's okay. I can, well, it doesn't work. Not. Anyways, my losers, I can cut them quickly. I can follow my stop loss, where I can, like I usually risk 2% per trade. I try to keep that consistent. Doesn't work. Anyways, but I can, like here, I lost, I think, I don't know. I can view it in here. Yes, one winning one losing trade and two, yeah, this was almost break even, but this was break even, I think. So it's like I can cut my losses, I can keep my downsides pretty small, like, apart from like one exception. This should be normal for me. Losing 2 trades in a row, being down 60 to 70 bucks a day, that should be normal. I tolerate that. But then on the other side, I look at my winning days here. That's the biggest problem. I just make like 1% here, almost 2% here, 2%, 1%, not even 1%, about 1%, and they're like almost 4%, right? But here, when I lose 2%, 2%, 4%, 4%, and even more, almost 6%, right? So it's like, it's a big problem for me. This and I, with this help of journaling, like, this is the power of journaling, I was able to identify my mistake, identify what I should improve, and now it's just the time to execute. My plan is to just like focus on trades that have a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so I can actually, like, because I have a lot of like here, I have a lot of unrealized profits. I can see this on the scale here. The numbers are not accurate, but pretty much accurate. Like here, all this green I missed out on that I could have realized. So I'm focusing on really taking home those profits to really, because I have a system in place that works profitable. That would work profitable if I would realize these profits, obviously. And if I, yeah, like here, everything, this was green and I could have taken that home. If I have a profitable trading system and if I realize those profits, it will work, in my opinion. And that's what I'm gonna try. That's what I'm working on. It has just been a few months for me, actually. Started off with trading some signals, but then I wanted to like learn more about it to really make my own money, right? Not be dependent on some guy sending signals out and that I can follow and copy. I mean, what can I do then, right? If I just copy some numbers, I don't even have a skill or anything. So I'm trying to learn that and to become a profitable trader. That's the goal. And also including my weekly analysis in here. That's what I wanted to do as well. Starting with I somehow did that already, but I'm gonna do it again to practice, to get in some reps, and obviously to put that on the video. I will start like this without any lines or anything on the chart, just a clean chart. And it looks obviously on the weekly we are in a massive uptrend, but here we are a little bit stagnating. And in this area, like in this key zone, now they're gonna appear again. This in this key zone, a lot of rejections have happened here. And I mean, I started around about, I think somewhere like, I started trading like here, but when I was focused on my personal accounts, like I was trading just here. So I like always was in this weird consolidation while I was trading. So that's my experience trading GJ. And I broke out of it, and I can see here actually it broke, like it was a downtrend here a little bit, and it bounced off this massive key level that has been a key level in the past as well. I can go back here, I think, yes. It has been a massive key level here as well, and here as well. So it bounced off there, broke the downtrend line, and it's now trading close to the daily resistance. We can see this here, yes, close to the daily highs of, I mean, not all-time highs, but pretty much of the last year, I would even say. Yeah. I'm curious. I personally think, from my analysis, is that it will break this level soon, as we had this massive push on the weekly, and now we are close to it actually, like consolidating, not really going down again. So I think this looks pretty strong. If anybody would see this as a different analysis, let me know down in the comments what's your view. I'm genuinely curious. But yeah, this is what I think will happen soon. What could happen next week is definitely, I have highlighted some scenarios here. Either we could there's this mega support that shows on the 4-hour time frame. It's like this formed a mega support with a lot of rejection here. Or we could even go down to retest this. It's a daily support here. Or possibly even go straight up. Is a possibility, and the least possible outcome, or the least, like the lowest probabilities in my opinion, is that we see a reversal here from this area and go down again. I mean, could happen, or anything could happen, but that's the least possible in my opinion. That was it with DJ. I will definitely will be looking for buys next week, either straight from this on Monday or on Tuesday. Now it's Sunday, 8:15. Market opens in 4 hours, but I'm trading London session, by the way. This is the Asian sessions I marked here, that I can have an overview of what happened in Asian, and then I'm gonna take it from here. So yeah, I will be looking for buys either straight up on Monday, Tuesday from here, from this level, or wait for a pullback in this area on the 4-hour support, or even the daily support here. That's what I'm gonna do on GJ. Now I have gold in front of me, and gold is, last week I had a pretty bad read actually. I thought after this massive push after the weekly, it's like it formed a weekly trend line here, and after this massive push, I personally thought we would see high highs and all-time highs essentially, but then we got this massive rejection, and now we closed again to like this key level here, 119.20. Broke the counter trend here. Maybe like possible scenario again is that we like kind of find support here somewhere. I have it highlighted here, yes. Maybe on here is also the yellow means 4-hour time frame. That we find support here at the 4-hour. And then push like on this on this small downtrend here and push to the upside. That could be a possibility. I mean, just from my experience trading gold now, I don't think it's gonna go down here again. Like after this rally, go all the way down there again. Maybe we see a consolidation phase around here somewhere, around this key level. But I think we will stay above this counter trend line and definitely above the weekly trend line. Gold should be going strong, and I think as well, I mean, there's like this triangle here. Maybe we could even see a break of this level still soon, if price holds strong here. I mean, price has to go either direction, but if it holds strong here, in my opinion, it will go up. Yeah, that's what I will be looking for. Start of the week, maybe we'll be looking for sales still. Depends how price moves on Monday. Or if price even finds support at this level, maybe I'll be looking for buys here to break out of this downtrend here and break above this key level on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, that's it on gold basically. I typically analyze the higher time frames, weekly, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. I like to do those. Those give a very like good overview where price is heading, if we're downtrend, if we're consolidation, or if we have an uptrend. And then just from there, I like to do my entries on the 5 minute or 15 minutes. excuse me, as I'm doing scalping most of the time, or in those scalps, well, sometimes turn to intraday trades which I hold for a few hours. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have a different view on this, I would love to hear if, or other analysis as well, love to see how other traders think, how they mark their key levels, because obviously I'm still pretty new to this game and not profitable yet. That's why I always like to learn from others 100% and get some input as well. So yeah, that's it with those two pairs I have here. That's once again my trading view, like my overview of my account, my stats. I'm gonna do a video every single week from now on to document my progress, my journey, and obviously to make the weekly forecasts into the new week going on. That being said, I wish everybody, whoever sees this, I'm basically posting into air with 0 followers still, but anybody who sees this, have an amazing day, keep grinding, keep working hard, enjoy the process, and keep you updated. Let's go.